In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to a photo in Adobe Express, an easy-to-use platform that offers a range of design tools for enhancing your images. Whether you want to make your photo stand out for a social media post or simply add a touch of elegance, adding a border is a fantastic and simple way to do so. We'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring you can follow along smoothly. First things first, you'll need to open Adobe Express on your device. If you have an existing project in mind that you'd like to enhance with a border, go ahead and open that project. If you're starting from scratch, that's no problem at all. Just create a new project and get ready to dive in. The process is quite intuitive, whether you're working with something new or something you've already begun. With your project opened, the next step involves uploading or adding the specific photo you wish to enhance with a border. Adobe Express makes it simple. You can upload directly from your computer or device's storage. Just locate the photo and add it to the project workspace. If you happen to have multiple images in your project, make sure you select the right one you want to spruce up with a border. Now take a glance over to the left side of your screen. That's where Adobe Express houses its powerful design tools. You'll want to navigate to the section labeled as Elements. At times, depending on the version, this might be referred to as Design Assets or Shapes and Borders. This is your go-to place for a variety of creative elements, including the ones we'll be using today. Once in the Elements section, you need to search for terms like border, frame, or outline. You'll be presented with a selection of pre-made border or frame elements designed to offer a polished look to your project. These elements can significantly save time, offering you stylish options without requiring you to create something from scratch. When you find a border or frame that suits your aesthetic needs, simply drag it over to your photo in the project area. This is where the fun begins as you adjust the size of the border. Ensure it lays nicely around your photo by scaling it as needed. You may also need to bring the photo layer forward for a striking composition by using Adobe Express's layer adjustment features. And there you have it, a neat border around your photo, ready to make your image stand out. Good luck applying this technique to your creative projects, and enjoy utilizing Adobe Express to its fullest potential. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.